Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Windows PC settings. And in this video, I will show you on how to find mixing Bluetooth in your Windows PC without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do right here is to come down below right here, your start right here, right click on your start. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and locate the device manager right here. So go ahead and click on the device manager. And this is going to pump up right here. Next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you select your Bluetooth right here. Click on the next icon right here to expand. If you cannot find the rest of the Bluetooth right here, next thing you want to do is to come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on view. Then under the view, go ahead and click on show hidden device. Then you have all the hidden Bluetooth right here. Lastly, you have to make sure you update the Bluetooth driver. Go ahead and select your Bluetooth device. Then next thing you want to do is to come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on this particular icon of this device driver, and this is going to pump up right here. How do you want to search for driver? Search automatically for driver. Go ahead and click on that, and in a few seconds it's going to search, and here we go. The best driver for your device are already installed, just like what you see right here. So you can see the Bluetooth has been fully active right here. Lastly, go ahead and click on close the tab right here, and you are done. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial about how best to use your Windows PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.